Hello traders, welcome to episode 219 of Tea with me, Matre. You could be doing anything. For some on the East Coast, it is now Thanksgiving. I should have put in the title, what are you thankful for? But there'll be ways, because I'm probably going to stream at some point tomorrow, at least once, right? So we will talk about that if you're able to make it tomorrow. But tonight, we're just hanging out, okay? I went way too long on a stream today, like most of the time these days, right? Since all this volatility, all this crazy stuff's been going on. You know, it's just like 2 months, right? 2 months of like no volatility on Bitcoin, right? This whole crap this thing right here, man, right here. Dude, oh my God. What's it doing? What's it doing, man? Give me my new GPUs, man. This right here was absolutely terrible. Everyone just quit on crypto, right? But that was the whole point, right? You got everyone to quit, to consolidate, like impulse down. Consolidation after the impulse. What does that tell you, man? Was maybe a little education already right now, right? Early in the show. Like, the impulse set the tone for the consolidation. Even if the consolidation lasted from September 6th all the way to freaking November 13th, this set the tone, right? So just burn that image in your mind, right? And guess what happened before that? What happened before that, man? We had consolidation, but it was actually upsloping this time, right? So, you know, eventually you're going to get crazy chops like this, and this is kind of nothing. We went through, Bitcoin went through something like this for like a year in like 2014 and 2015, right? So don't be thinking that this is something that's not that's trivial or it's kind of a big deal. 2 months we went with a chop. It could last much longer. We're just kind of lucky that it didn't, okay, for now. But like, hey, with steep drops like this, we might get a retrace here. We could continue dumping again and maybe get triple RSI, bullish average, whatever. You can clearly see we're stalling right now. We're stalling a lot. We bullishly engulfed, but indecision after the bullish engulfing candle. So just kind of floating along. 2 hours 21 minutes left in the 4 hour candle. All right. And remember, we got rid of the 1618 fib extension that we bounced off of because it wasn't relative, because we're looking for retraces now. Swing on a swing low. We have not even hit the 236 or the 382, excuse me. We have surpassed the 236. That gives us the indication to believe that we are safe fibbing at least. And with the fib, you just 4661 is the 382. You would certainly expect that, but my God, we're not able to do that. We're not even getting close, really. I mean, we're there. We're 45.20, but you know, 46.61. Where are we? You know, over $100 off that 382, and then 48.52 is a 50% retrace. And this is your minor swing high to swing low. It's pathetic, man. Like, if you can't retrace 38% of the way on a minor swing high to swing low, that's pathetic, man. That means like no one wants this stuff, dude. No one's going for it right now, which sucks, man. That's extremely, extremely bearish price action. Okay. But we'll see. We're going into Thanksgiving. If anyone remembers last Thanksgiving, holy crap, I think Litecoin jumped up like $20 a coin. Like literally on Thanksgiving Day. Does anyone remember that stuff? Okay. Crazy enough. All right. Okay, so Ripple in the bottom right of your screen. You can clearly see we're at 45 cents, still holding above the upsloping channel, the trend we are in that is upsloping. It's bullish, right? We're showing good levels of divergence on the oscillators. Wonderful. Hey, coinciding variables. We'll talk about it in a minute more on the big screen. Top right of your screen is Litecoin, $34. Well, $34.27. All right, we have broken critical areas of support, and we're kind of really just right at one last minor one. Where's my music, man? Let me turn my audio up. Good God. Okay, that $34 to $36 range was extremely important. If we couldn't hold that, what was it? $23 was the next target. There's nothing really here. Okay, you see right here, there's nothing there looking left. I'm telling you, dude. All right, so I don't see why we can't hit $23 in the future. All right, say we retrace with Bitcoin at this point. That's all you're gonna get is a Bitcoin pity retrace for Litecoin. It's trash, man. It's not good. It's technically terrible. Top left is Ethereum. Same type of thing. The only way you're getting a retrace here is if Bitcoin retraces. You're getting a pity Bitcoin retrace if you're Ethereum. And guess what, man? That's okay. That's okay. If we get it, it's kind of low risk. Take a shot because we have bullish divergence on all of these, on certain oscillators. XLM, it hit a critical area of support, right, and had a nice bounce, right? It went on all the way down to like 18 cents. It just tanked straight down, touched it, and we have bounced since, right, up like 2 cents roughly from there. So that's that took over Bitcoin Cash, trash, Bitcoin trash. All right, we're not gonna deal with them anymore. Okay, great. Okay, so stock market we talked about in the day stream some. It was a very, very light day. Oh, excuse me, I don't know why I have Nemesis down here. Oh yeah, that's right, because I don't have my, I'm getting another monitor. I'm going on 7 monitors now because I need a utility monitor. I created another quint screen for y'all, just because I figured people that care about stocks would like to know updates briefly at the beginning of the show, and that's what I'm doing. Go to the NASDAQ. 4 major indices. All right. Okay, man. So bottom right of your screen is S&P 500. Had a very, very light day, up $8, almost 0.5%, not even 0.5%. Top right of your screen is Dow Jones Industrial. Really didn't move at all. 0% change, 95 cents down. Who cares? And really, all the markets have been doing this, or all the major indices across the markets have been doing this. Russell 2000 up 1.31%. And you've got your NASDAQ down 17 cents, 20% of a percent, right? So why were the markets like this extremely light today? Well, you could expect with Thanksgiving tomorrow, markets are closed. And guess what? On Friday, markets are only a half day, okay? We'll be closing up shop around noon, I believe. So there you go, man. That's your stock market. Very light, just like Bitcoin and crypto for that matter. A lot of them have been light, kind of following the same pattern, right? Same type of lack of volatility today. Not yesterday and the day before. Okay, so let's take a look at chat. Let's get into it, man. What's up? Again, this is a TA and chill. If you are expecting me to like freak out and just start going crazy, Super Saiyan on charts, man, just calm down. All right, we just did like literally 8-9 charts, even though they were brief and quick. Okay, but that's the beauty of efficiency and the efficiency of the quad quint screen. Okay, still kind of like from a day stream, right? I got like an hour of break or something, hour and a half. Drinking that Irwin coffee, maybe it'll help me have a resurrection, man. I just don't know. Will this coffee be the Lazarus, man? Hey, Don AT or Don at. Thanks for the sub on YouTube. The deals, man. Welcome, dude. Welcome, man. I shouldn't even be here. What's up, HB? Subi Heart. Mad Carl says TM. Oh, the music's probably a little loud. Sorry about that. It always is. What's up, Renee?
The Salvation Army 2015 26th Avenue North 205 328 2420. Happy Turkey Day. Miss Ray. Be thankful. Pay it forward. Go to your Piggly Wiggly and get some canned goods. Maybe Forrest Gump will give you some bubblegum shrimp to donate. Much love.
But Mama's dead. Wait, that's Bobby Boucher. What did he say? What did Forrest Gump say, man? I'm trying to think. I should know this. I'm sorry, I'm kind of out of it, John Lara. All right, man. Dude, thanks for the 333. Pay it forward. All right, I'll let you know. I'll let you know what I do. We don't really have a Piggly Wiggly around here anymore. I don't even know where they are, but was that one? Was that the address? Or was that the Salvation Army? I'll look it up at the stream elements, but yeah, make no doubt, man. I'll make it happen, dude. All right, we'll pay it forward. Be thankful and help out some other people's. All right. Thanks, dude. Much love. Oh. So Renee, Mr. KJ, Nicholas Verbat, Coach K37, Ultra Instinct Jesus, man. Did you see Did you see Jiren versus Ultra Instinct Goku today, Coach K, man? If you didn't, you want to check it out, dude. It was nuts. All right, it happened on the stream. So Jordan G, Loco is free. Crypto Fortunate, APDUP. And dude, it's like, oh my god, when I say y'all's names are like rhyming and stuff, it sounds like a rapper, like giving everyone shout outs, okay? What's up, Bradley Abel, James Glenn, Crypto SB is lit. League of Legends, LOL. But you capitalize both L's, that's League of Legends, man. What are you talking about? You are lit. What's up, Jimmy M? Logo Dinosaur, Manolo. Happy Thanksgiving to you, Crypto SB. I know it's almost 1 a.m. over there. What's up, Phil Centura, Alex McKeon, Zachary. You liked that last stream, man? It was nuts. It came in a left field. There was the good, and then, man, it got bittersweet at the end a little bit. Stuff I can't really talk about too much, but man, I'm gonna miss that guy. I'm gonna miss him a lot. All right, he's just been absolutely incredible. But of course, I got nothing but love for him, and I'll do the same thing, right? So, Mr. Cantomo, hope you're doing well, man. You're in our thoughts and prayers, dude. Okay, so just to note that, all right? Talking to you in Discord. So about Crypto Stang. Not too much crypto yesterday, man. Hey, Jackhammer. So many beers? Yeah. I got a beer. When I finish this coffee, I think I'm going into that beer. I just needed this to jolt me up, man. I got the, I'm running on fumes. I've been saving just some more ground beans. It's my last of the Jamaican Blue Mountain, so I don't know if I'll be getting any more of that, but I just chose this as a special occasion, especially for tonight's stream, to do that. Right, so it's definitely worth it. Great. Beautiful night in Louisiana. BG, what's the temperature over there? It's 41 here, so not that great. I mean, it's open and open skies, clear skies, but it's just a little cold. Hey, I threw a log on the fire and ate a little dinner and just kind of relaxed and took my time. Didn't make it on time. I was like 30 minutes away from the stream anyway when I got off my first stream. So, what happened? Pro Golfer Mitch is one of your favorite Mitches? Oh yeah? Who's Pro Golf Mitch, man? What's up, Balintech TV, man? Just getting through chat, alright? We're going to get through this and be kanks. Thanks to the 113 people here. Alright, this is definitely a different laid-back stream. It's not going to be your typical... Okay. You know why? We just went through that like 3 days in a row, man. Like, dude, I gave... Who gave like literally more live coverage of these moves and impulses down? Like, I like killed myself streaming this stuff, okay, around the markets and all that. So I just want to relax with y'all and hang out with my peoples, okay? Because y'all are my peoples. It's just nice being able to stream and just relax for a little bit, okay? Phil Centuri, you're almost home, aren't you, dude? Might. What's up, Mr. Meme? J-Talk Crypto. You're still drinking beer? Logo Dinosaur, man? Oh my god, man. Hey, Persh. Caroline Evans. Absolutely. Absolutely, Caroline. Anytime. RVN looking like baby Jesus, man. I don't know. It was... I mean, like... It was set up, but again, it's all about Bitcoin, dude. You're almost like... literally... guessing, hey, is Bitcoin gonna go up? Well, if Bitcoin goes up, the trade setup might work out, but if Bitcoin tanks, then Raven is probably gonna fail. The trade setup will fail. That's it. It's sad that it's like that, but it's just, that's how much pull this really infantile market has. I mean, this is an extremely immature market. All right. So, but Jeff Weedman, man. Mom said bye. I don't know if she said that, man. She said don't catch falling knives. She also said buy into the trend, go long into the trend. Okay, and trend right now is extremely bearish. We're just looking for very, very quick retraces. Okay, maybe we can find a little bit of opportunity. Dumpster diving. That's pretty much what you're doing, looking to go long in this terrible market. Okay. Vibes like a box of chocolates, Alex McKeon. That's it, man. What do I think of XRP in the next 5 weeks? It depends, man. If we stay within the channel, we'll be fine, man.
Please explain these poggers.
Explain these poggers? I'll bring it up. Know your meme, man. Know your meme. It actually came from PogChamp. PogChamp is what's that? Gooks. What's his name on Twitch? He's a streamer. He goes to clout parties and all that. Now he's like, e-famous now. But I got you, dude. I'm gonna bring it up, and I'm gonna get the internet to explain it better than me. Okay. I got you, dude. So, Poggers is a Twitch emote that may only be seen if you have better TTV installed. It's used in place of PogChamp. PogChamp? What is PogChamp, you may ask? I'll show you what PogChamp is, okay? PogChamp, I have it in my library because we have the Kang's library. There it is. Here's my PogChamp. This is PogChamp. This is a streamer from Twitch, okay? Right? PogChamp. It's used in place of PogChamp as an expression of extreme excitement or hype, particularly after an impressive play is made. All right, popular in the League of Legends community, as Crypto SB loves League of Legends because he said LOL. All right, here's something that someone said. Some girl quote answered some former teacher to undergrads. People with somewhat limited vocabulary use this word to describe something that is awesome or epic. Scourman. So there you go. That's what I guess you could say. He failed the final exam. He poggered, right? I don't think that's very good, right? But poggers, this is PogChamp, right? Remember we said this is PogChamp. And what I'm going to do, I can never find poggers in PNG format, but I will still show you what poggers is, okay, man? And we have it in the Discord. It's riddled with emotes, right? This is poggers, man. And this is poggers, man. Poggers. But remember, don't confuse poggers with pog. P-A-W-G. Pog simply just means girl, hot girl, or could a pronoun of girl, hot girl, could be thought, or it could be pog, or pogs in plural, or thoughts in plural. Hey, I know my demographic, man, okay? We do not have a bunch of children here, so I think a lot of people are actually getting education out of this somehow, some way. Know your meme. All right, hope that helped. Skyward Man, let me know. Astute analysis of pogs, poggers, PogChamps, the history behind it. Let me know if that was good or not, man. All right. What's up, Israel? DJ Netronic, what's up, man? Where's the year-end bull run? Sorry, man. History does not decide the future, and it wrecked everyone this year. Okay, if you were expecting that, it literally had a chance, and it bearishly engulfed at the critical resistance it needed to break. There was no volume, no one wanted it, and it's since tanked. All right, this time last year, the euphoria was just beginning to pick up insanely. All right, and this year it's literally the same, but opposite. It's like the great FOMO of 2018, but inverse, right? FOLO, the great FOLO of 2018. What's up, Peter Pan Morgan? How much do I sleep? I sleep, man. I sleep. That's it. That's it, dude. What's up, Bitcoin Andy? Your beans had a rock in them? Your rock had a beans in them, you mean, right? It broke the grinder? What? Dang, dude, that's not cool, man. That's how you know it's real, right? It's about FN based. No logo for you to man. It's 40 degrees and clear skies. Family's in town for Thanksgiving. Do I have plans? Yeah, just said I live pretty close to my parents' house. We're just going over there having a quiet Thanksgiving. Just gonna eat, stuff my face, and then I plan on throwing down on the egg bowl probably, right? Can't wait. Love the egg bowl. One more hour of work, Anthony, and you're free to sleep for 12 hours, man. Dude, you better comatose then sleep well, all right? Get those REMs, the REM cycle sleep that you desire, all right? And then Rashawn says Bitcoin's going up for sure. Not right now. We bullishly engulfed on the 4 hour, and we had a bullish harami on the daily. So we got. Bitcoin is literally an index. You could look at it like that, but we can't say it's literally an index. Okay, it's not a collective fund and blend of different cryptos. So it's a pseudo index. Hashish, Brillo, pseudo index. Thanks, Jay Talk, man. Well, I appreciate your support, man. It means everything. Okay. Bad hair day. Yeah, dude. Like I just didn't have time to. I'm embarrassed. I didn't have time to shower before stream. I was having some serious issues with my PC. It was not booting, and I was troubleshooting, trying to get it figured out. I finally got it figured out, but was late to stream because of that. But dude, don't worry. We were trying to Frankenstein my computer yesterday, but we got the cavalry coming in by next Tuesday night. My God, man, I'm gonna have a supercomputer. I cannot freaking wait. Okay. What's up, Luke A, CX, man, CX in the chat. People are gonna have to sell more Bitcoin to cover credit card bills. Yeah, dude. Hey, who's looking to chat? Let's have a poll real quick. Press 1 in chat if you heavily advocated about cryptocurrency last Thanksgiving. 2 if you didn't. All right. 1 if you were just over passionate, freaking out. Oh my God, cryptocurrency! It's going to the moon, man. Okay. We'll see it. Let me know if you did that. What's up, Mr. Shaverman? Happy Turkey Day to you and your loved ones, alright, man? The sword of 1,000 S coins will protect us all. What's up, Aaron? Greg White, the Asimo 5000. Ultimate Keck, CX, man. CX, dude. What's up, Andreas, man? Okay, so evidently we have I don't know, our nomenclatures are off, I guess. A pog is a perfect A white girl, and a thought is that hoe over there. That hoe over there. Thanks, Mr. Cantone, man, for the revised education. Love it, dude. Gotta love it. Bradford. I just saw that. And people say there isn't enough education on these streams. That's right, man. Renee loves pugs. But you don't like pogs, Renee? It's true you're addicted to pogs, Mr. Dinosaur Man. Interracial. Okay, dinosaurs can't love humans, okay, man? Alright, let's not go there. Agi to BTC, Mr. Shaverman. Agi's the one that ran up to the top of the channel and then dumped after that, right? Pretty sure, Mr. Shaver. No, that was Siren. That was Siren. Dude, there's so many S coins. I've looked at it, right? What's the Egg Bowl, Mr. Meme? Mississippi State versus Ole Miss, or University of Mississippi versus Mississippi State, right? Traditionally played on Thanksgiving, the Egg Bowl. I learned by reading that the Egg Bowl only exists because the rivalry back in like the 20s or teens or whatever, 1920s teens, it was so violent. Like people were getting just like destroyed, like fist fights and just bottles being thrown. They had to create a trophy to like keep the fan bases from like killing each other every year. Insane, man. So that's why it's the Egg Bowl, and it, you know, it's similar to a football. That's another thing. I think that's kind of a wives' tale though. Yep, hanging out with the fam, the parents. Yeah, Skyman, absolutely. The Iron Bowl. That's right, Mr. Cantona, man. That's right. This is the second. This is the second hat day ever. Yes, Mr. Meme. I can't believe you've noticed, man. This is the first time in history I've ever worn a hat to 2 streams. Yes. Second hat day. Oh, interesting. Low Dinosaur says Mississippi is the nation's #1 egg producer. Thanks for that tidbit. Look, we're learning every day. Let's see how many people. Zachary, he told the fam about crypto. Mr. Meme did not. Nicholas did not. The Basin Bruce, Astrid. Well, no, say the Basin Bruce, Joshua Fox, Bradley Abel, all messed up. What's up? XRP Roshi was also culprit of the crypto craze. But it seems like we have a lot of people that did not, and then we have other people just doing things. All right. If you're enjoying this Pog chat, this hangout, hit that like button, that bell, that's up. Thank you for being here. I know you don't have to be, especially with Thanksgiving essentially here. Okay, it just hit. We did it, man. It's now 12:01 where I live, so it's Thanksgiving. We did it, man. It's like New Year's, all right? So, what are you thankful for, chat? Let me know what you're thankful for, since it is now officially Thanksgiving for pretty much half the country, right? The United States. Oh, Vasha's sneaking in here. Vasha! What's up, Vasha? Always wonderful to see you. It's always an honor and a pleasure when you make your presence known, okay? What's up, Nils coming in from Straya? Glad you made it, man. Alright, so let's go over to Rappel real quick and explain about what I was talking about with the oscillators, everything looking pretty decent on XRP. Okay, so descending rotting wedge action going on. That's just problems with supply and demand, right? You got 2 diverging downsloping trend lines. That problem with supply and demand comes from the extreme volatility Bitcoin's been showing, but holding pretty strong. And you got to be somewhat impressed with how it's been doing, right? Anyway, so since we're making this low here, lower low, when we're making that lower levels of negative momentum, yes, we were pinpoint here. Lower levels of relative strength, like low on price, lower low on price, higher levels of relative strength. That is divergence. Both oscillators telling us divergence. We have a nice opportunity to maybe break to the upside here. Okay, they just based on that. What did we do when we hit our lowest low that wick that night when we were dumping on Bitcoin? XRP dumped, but then pumped right back. As you can clearly see, no harm, no foul on that wick. All right, leaving it alone. We maintain prices above the trend, in the trend. All right, wonderful. So this uptrend continues until we decide we want to crack this upsloping trend line, the bottom trend line of the equidistant channel, convincingly with some volume or some confirmation, right? We don't have any of that right now. Okay, that's it. So good on Ripple for holding strong at 45 cents. Speaking of Ripple, if you ever want to contribute to the stream via XRP or Ripple, whichever one you like, that's what that QR reader up there is for. Okay, you can see the Ripple logo. Thanks to Chalin or Zora, as you know, made that. Yeah, you just you have the xrp.com tip bot, and you just scan the QR reader if you ever want to contribute, and I'll be able to see it immediately, and then I'll give credit where credit's due. So that's it, man. This is Ripple, and I can't wait till my PC. Dude, I have a strong PC, and it's just overwhelmed. And I think I left my PC on long, so it's just like, I can't even scale out on stuff, okay? I don't know. Bought this thing in like late March, and it's now already having to be upgraded. Crazy, man. Crazy stuff. Okay. Let's see what people are thankful for, all right? Where am I? Where did I miss some of the chat? Holy crap, man. You wrecked, Scar, man? You wrecked right now, man? Hey, Princess Riley. Scar, you have 4 days off, man. That is spectacular, man. You better be watching the Egg Bowl, dude. All right. Dude, XRP Roshi XRP. Thank you. Hold on. Dude, thanks for the 20 XRP, man. Man. Thanks so much, dude. Seriously. Y'all are amazing over there in the XRP community, man. Thank y'all so much for making it over. I'm glad y'all are enjoying the show. All right. I know y'all come from Alexander Cobb's territory, but truly grateful to have y'all like this show too. All right. Thank y'all. Bitcoin ASMR. Joseph, is that what this is? This is not Bitcoin ASMR, is it? All right. Nicholas Robot, you're thankful for me. Well, I'm thankful for you, man. Thank you, dude. Seriously. Princess Riley, are you not streaming tonight or something? What are you doing? You're thankful for vibrant health, Third Eye Trader. Hey, Ashish Brillo, man. Thanks so much, Ashish. Much love, dude. Much love. You do, man. You love it with the community, man, Shaver, man. Would not be the same without you, dude. All right. No Name had Thanksgiving 5 weeks ago. What are you in Canada, man? I think that was Canadian, right? You're thankful that you're living through this era, Renee. You're talking about the crypto era. Mr. Majesty, thanks to happy Thanksgiving to you. Okay. Wait, are you in Europe though? Because if you are, then thanks for the wishes though. Yeah, we got. We'll be looking at those, Mr. Shaverman. XRP. We're gonna go to XRP. Remember, we were looking at XRP to BTC earlier in the stream, and we're like, hey man, you're already cool, you know. This uptrend is much crazier. I can't even PC. I can't even like scale, man. It's like, oh, so lagged out. Don't worry, man. It'll all be fixed by Tuesday. Can't wait. All right, so look, you know, you run up 1, 2, 3. You broke down. You're still holding on to that 20 MA. You're still holding on to it. But remember, the bearish divergence was here. Okay, I don't know, man. The bearish engulfing candle right here. The bearish engulfing impulse down, and you're going sideways after the impulse. Okay, yeah, it would be crazy if we ran up again, but I just don't know, man. I don't know. There's no patterns really. It's already had a nice run up. It's just there's higher risk up here, man. To think about any time getting in here, this is not the area to do it, in my opinion. You're in the dead middle of an uptrend. The dead middle. Okay. So areas you want to wait for down here. We haven't seen that since our anchor points. All right. So hey, even here we were disrespecting the 25% trend line a lot. Okay. So I mean, I think this XRP to the USD is giving us look. XRP to the US dollar is down sloping near the bottom of the channel with bullish divergence on both oscillators. I mean, that's way better looking than this right now in terms of entries, not how it's doing, performing. Thanks, Mr. Mean Man. No, Mr. Kendo, it's really not. It's not like bad. I know you're like, I don't know if your PC is bad or not, but I'm just saying like mine's not bad. Like if I didn't have 6 monitors and I didn't have all these things running, I didn't have so much computing power going through one GPU, I think I'd be good, man. We're gonna try it out. More RAM, more everything. Look at this loud. My bad, y'all. Hold on. Jeez, man. Okay, sorry. Okay, so local dinosaur for Thanksgiving. I eat wild plants and buffalo, smoke a peace pipe, and post old pics of Native Americans on Facebook all day. Well, hey, you can post pics on Facebook all day, but be glad you didn't get in on Facebook in the past 367 days, because if you did, you didn't make a dime. Alright? Sucks, man. Facebook has wiped out all its gains. Guess we all need Threadrippers? Yeah, we do. We do, Mr. Countdown. All in. No Name is thankful for cheeseburgers. Brabber says he got his laptop in April. He only has 9 active charts in TradingView and a couple of YouTube windows, and his computer has the occasional seizure. Yeah. Can I explain the difference for being an XRP to BTC and XRP to the US dollar? How that works? It confuses you? Yeah. So if XRP to the USD remains relatively stable while Bitcoin dumps, XRP to BTC is going to do very well, right? Because this is XRP's value compared to Bitcoin, right? Whereas XRP to the US dollar is tied to the US dollar. I mean, I get it. It's kind of weird and confusing, but and I almost make myself run circles saying that. I know, but it's just like XRP to the US dollar affects this, right? And Bitcoin price does too. So if Bitcoin goes down, but XRP to the US dollar does okay, this thing's going to do extremely well. That's it. And it has done. It did that. It really did that, and it's been doing that. Okay, so now XRP to the US dollar, it's going to be affected a little bit more to Bitcoin's price action, I think, and it has been, right? And for most of the year, it has too. I mean, that's it. That's the best way I know how to explain it, man. It's just XRP to Bitcoin. That means if XRP is holding strong, XRP's price is holding strong, and Bitcoin dumps, XRP to Bitcoin's gonna go up. That's it. This is correlated to if XRP to the US dollar was dumping too, this could possibly dump too. All right, hard. It's just like if anything tied to the Ethereum pair, for the most part, if whatever that pair is, say GBT to Ethereum, if GBT to Bitcoin or the US dollar dumps, or okay, let's say GBT to the US dollar or GBT to BTC stays the same while Ethereum dumps, that pair or that asset GBT to Ethereum pair will go up. But if Ethereum dumps, Bitcoin dumps, and GBT's price to Bitcoin dumps and US dollar dumps, it's gonna dump too. It's tough, man. It's pretty complicated. It's pretty stupid the way it is, right? But that's just kind of the way I have to think about it. To think about how is it holding up to the US dollar, and if it's holding flat, not doing anything while its other pair dumps, then it's gonna go up. So like for instance, when Bitcoin wasn't doing much of anything and Ethereum was getting destroyed in August, I believe, it was getting killed. All these Ethereum pairs were doing so exceptionally well because Bitcoin wasn't being volatile. So like a lot of those pairs were just staying still. But to Ethereum that was dumping, it was gaining value. It's tough, man. That's not an easy question. All right. APDUP, man, if I restart my computer, I'm screwed, dude. It takes so long to get everything set up. It's so annoying, man. It's so much work getting a stream set up at this point. And it's only going to get tougher and tougher. But at least I'll be working with things faster. Okay. But yeah, another thing about XRP to BTC, XRP to the USDT is like, if you get stopped out at the USDT, you get stopped out into the US dollar tether instead of getting stopped out into Bitcoin. That's another thing too. So if you're scared about Bitcoin dumping, you know, you don't want to get caught into Bitcoin dumping. Bouncing all the MA XRP Roshi. Yep, bouncing all the 20 MA, but you know, I mean, I see what you're saying, man, but the impulse down, the bearish engulfing candle, and then sideways move. So we got the 60-minute, right? What does the 60-minute mean? See here, you're struggling to break below the 50. You're now below the 50 MA on the 60-minute, right? I mean, if anything, we could probably figure out some sort of anchor points, right? See, it was almost like you had it like this. 1, 2, and 3. Uh-huh. So you had it like this. And holy crap, man. So anchor point 1, 2, 3. We broke out of it, but it was at 1, 2, 3, and then 4 on the bottom. So that's the way we would have had it. We had it like that. That's like the way it would be done. As you can see, the heart line support you get, right? Resistance here. You did get some support right here. This one wick, you went down and closed back above it. Then there's a wick right here. But you had resistance, then support. Okay, so definitely you're at the bottom of this upsloping channel, all right? I think this is the way it looks. Okay, and you're right freaking there. So if you break that, chances are you're gonna dump to the downside, all right? But I mean, look, what do you want from a swing high to swing low? Fib extensions wise, you broke above the 1618, dude. All right, you're right there at the 1618 right now, which is extremely nice, extremely high up there after a nice rally, nice run. Okay. Jeez, man, that's so laggy. That's ridiculously laggy. Okay, so I think that's just kind of the way we're looking at. You have this velocity trend in our overall uptrend for now. All right, that's about it. Top Raymond for Thanksgiving this year, you guess? Win Lambo, win Honda Civic, win Homeless, win Cardboard Box, Wally Chance, win Mint. Let's dump on USDT pairs. It depends, man. Mostly everything is getting eviscerated on both pairs. The only anomaly right now, Matt Shaver, is XRP. That's about it. USDT has been getting obliterated, dude. The BTC pairs have actually held up a little bit better, I think. Whew. What's up, Steve Rule? Oh my god. Okay. Ugh. Okay. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone. Okay. Do I think XRP will be in a scapegoat? It was in a scapegoat.
Give thanks each day, give thanks each night, for all the Lord has helped us fight our battles until the victory is won.
That's right, Miss Shaverman. Thanks so much, dude, for the three repeating, of course. The Lord will help us to the battery. The battle is won. Exactly, dude. The Jesus, man. Man, it's so crazy, dude. I had someone come in here saying, I need to stop my mockery of, and it's to Jesus, man. Some pious fool. Crazy, man. It's ridiculous, man. I think the true Jesus, man, actually loves what I'm doing. Okay. But whatever. Others would argue not. Okay. So anyway, J-Rock's asking about the scapegoat, not the scapegoat, for the current stock situation, so the elites can continue their stronghold on us peasants, centralized manipulation, and corruption. I don't know, man. I don't know if it's that cynical. I don't think like there are people in a room being like, okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to the world is just there's too many variables in the world, I think, for it to be, and there's too much stuff that goes on that's out of the control of other people for there to be a room of like, you hear that? I mean, J-Rock, do you think that XRP will be the scapegoat for the current stock situation so the elites can continue their stronghold on us peasants? I don't understand. What do you mean? Will it keep going up because you think that the elites are holding it up because they don't want to lose money because of the stock market? Because in the stock market you can short, you can buy puts, you can sell puts. So I don't think XRP really has anything to do with the stock market right now. So win E. coli, Mr. Meme, exactly. Win E. coli. Well, I guess that's what people think, Nicholas Robot. I guess that's what they think, man. Even though the Jesus man is an ever-flowing energy that flows from person to person, to chart, to idea, from chart to person, okay? It is a positive, beautiful energy that we strive to get every day in our lives, okay? You can't see it, but you know it's there. That's what the Jesus is, man. Yeah, I guess so, black collar crypto man. How many XRP for one scapegoat? Quasi-tulip man? Whatever the conversion is to leprechauns to nickels, okay? Something like that, alright? Or leprechauns to rainbows. Yeah, they said that, Mr. Majesty man. Not in a room, but a secret group chat. Of course, well, they're probably messaging on Snapchat so no one sees it, willpower, okay? Christ coin, no, there's Jesus coin, and it's decentralized Jesus, man. Alright. Okay, so we'll see if XRP can, I mean, it's, look, you can see the price contraction clearly, top side and bottom side. I mean, it's coiled up, it's about to move, it's about to break this to the downside or break to the upside, okay? You would think we got bearish convergence, we'd probably break to the downside. It's such a nice run. 3 legs, 3 tops, 1, 2, 3, rule of 3. And it just got too hot too fast. You would expect it to probably just break down. And that's okay. What's wrong with that? Who cares? It was a nice run. It hit the 75% trend line of the equidistant channel like perfectly. What do you want, man? What do you even want? What's up, Kawato? That's right, Jack Brown. That's right, man. Okay. There's a direct correlation. The bankers, man, they're keeping XRP up to keep us peasants down. What if it is bankers keeping the price up? Does it matter? No. On the chart, it's helped us preserve capital when we would otherwise be losing it in other S coins or Bitcoin, right? Just saying. Oh, Blue Mountain Jamaican, man. Blue Mountain Jamaican. I'm almost out, man. Almost done. Irwin Coffee. Kings. Anyway, so, all right. It's just crazy to believe that we're still somehow, some way in the midst of this Raven coin thing. If this was to work, okay, which you can look to Bitcoin, always play in the risk game when Bitcoin's being a scrub on these S coins, okay? Raven being one of the S coins. All right, falling wedge pattern, been in a falling wedge, started all in late October. Okay, so about a month, man, we've been making a falling wedge pattern. Towards the end, you got down sloping price contraction, which is a reversal in this context. It's actually sort of a continuation, impulse up, down sloping consolidation, and you continue on to the upside, right, for at least lower highs to make a proper retrace of about 50%. That was like pretty much the target, was the primary target of the 50% retrace, and then 618 was a secondary target. 718 sats primary, and then you got 794 of the 618. So again, man, why else did we like this? Well, we had bullish divergence not only on the MACD, but also the RSI. Both oscillators were bullish with the pattern. And that's it. And we could break down one more time, and I think that there is a support right over from October 12th at 355 sats. So to stop just slightly below that, just in case, man, just in case. All right. You can tighten it if you want. You can be as tight as you want to. But what if it breaks down here and it's still inside the wedge before it breaks out? Right? Your risk to reward is still like 4.84 to 1, or reward to risk anyway, excuse me. So just can't break, man. You can't do anything. Every time you make any kind of high, it's a lower high than your previous high, and then you break lows and lower low than your previous low. It's a trend. This sucks, man, and they still fail. Okay, Bradley's saying something people don't notice is Ripple is selling from their holdings and adding to their circulating supply, and price is still staying rather stable. Interesting. DUI. Do UI get a discount on Baker's Dozen? No, I don't think so. Blue Jones, I don't think so, man. Not at all. All right. Man. So what else, man? What else is everyone thankful for? Seriously, I mean, it's technically Thanksgiving for half the country, so only like 3 people answered. No one else is thankful for anything, really? Is this how it works, man? I don't even know how long we've been live, but if you're enjoying this live stream, just this hangout, education of poggers and memes, and a little bit of charting, hit that like button, that bell. That's up. Thank y'all. Y'all amazing. Okay. We've just been, chat's been killing it on the likes lately, and I'm very, very grateful for that. Okay. K King, is it a good time to buy Bitcoin, or is it like catching a falling knife? Of course, it's like catching a falling knife, man. We are in a bear trend. And we gave some more confirmation of that just 5 days ago. All right. Look at the daily real quick. K King, man. I don't even know you're still here, K King, but this is it, man. You see the down sloping price action, man. All right, crazy enough. Not just on Coinbase, but on Bitfinex. Had a similar looking chart, just a little off, right? But my God, man, we got right to this critical area of resistance and bearishly engulfed. We had our opportunity, man. We had accumulated. We finally got to the end of the line. See, there was a support like this, just like that. And once we got squeezed in between the upsloping support and the downsloping resistance, that was it, man. It was over after that. All right, done. Done, man. Okay. Price contraction is indecision, but it also lets you know and gives you foreshadowing what's to come. A big move the upside downside, and we sure as heck got it, did we not? Yes, we did. All right. What's up, what is it, Steve? 95? Yeah, 95 Ethereum sounds about right for now. Exactly. If it doesn't hold, 95 doesn't hold, we're going down to 55. That's right. What's the music I play, Mr. Hugh? It's just progressive house. I think it's a melodic progressive house. Okay. Sure thing, Alon Strubman. Thank you for your time, dude. Because you're also giving me your time, right? So, it was brought. You're thankful you're living in Australia. Oh my God, man! Don't trigger me. So many scary things down there. The Knight of the Sword of 1,000 S coins. That's right, dude. He's right here, dude. You can't see it. I wish there was a way to display it better. I need to get some sort of canvas light or some sort of art light to mount over there so you can see him better at all times. Thanks, J-Rock, man. Thanks for the replays. What do you mean the replays, J-Rock? Is this a replay? Era. Know what I'm saying? Would you get eaten by a hammerhead shark? Dude, have y'all seen a hammerhead shark skull before? Dude, it is super lit. It's crazy looking, man. Like crazy. No replies. Okay. Thanks, dude. Appreciate that. You killed the like button, Steven Stan. Oh my God, so graphic, man. Hey, we got 9 more likes till I can throw those fireworks up. Can we do this, y'all? Can we do this, man? 9 more likes. Holy crap. You're going to a Cybent party in Shanghai for Thanksgiving, Mr. Majesty? Holy crap, dude. What is that? Can you give us... I guess you're leaving? I'll really just... You tell us something and it raises questions, man. Just wanted to know more about it. Alright, Crypto Cotter says he's thankful for his business picking up immensely in November. It's been slow to say for the past 6 months. Well, Crypto Cotter, hey man, that's awesome. Very happy to hear that, man. Congratulations, and hopefully it rolls into December and January. Sure thing, Luke Jones, man. You want to know the real I come back to the nest. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we're having a crisis, a grammatical crisis tonight in chat. Are y'all okay? Is everyone just take deep breaths, everyone? Check your sentences. Check your sentences and be like, okay, I proofread my sentence, Kangs. But joking aside, y'all are amazing. All right. All right, Jules Santana is thankful for his 2 sons. Fatherhood changes your life in such a positive way, man. Very introspective, man. Thank you for sharing, Jules, and well, I'm definitely thankful for you, man. And I wish you and your loved ones a wonderful Thanksgiving, dude. Okay. GTMKV though is thankful for Litecoin respecting those dojis. Curtis Carter feels the same way about his 2 daughters, same as Jules. Excellent, y'all. Excellent. And just make sure to cherish them because 18 years come and go real fast, right? Why the bounce right now? Irwin Coffee. That's it, Luke Jones. That's it. Yeah, my boat plans. No buyers really anywhere. Not really. Sub-free zones. Got a bird in the oven already? Holy crap, man. Knocking that out tonight. Oh yeah, we can look at Ethereum. Sorry, dude. My bad, Blank Man. You're like the only one that cares. I mean, I care. But I do think that small retrace, it seems like a low risk anyway, that it would happen. 60 minutes. Alright, so we did break this down sloping resistance, and we're still holding. And look, impulse up in the smallest time frame, the way price action works. So impulse up, down sloping consolidation. The only issue is like you're showing at the 60-minute. Blah, man. Give me a break. Like showing bearish divergence on the 60-minute. I mean, it's class A bearish divergence too. But the thing is, the contradicting variable is the bullish engulfing candle, the run up, and just the flag. It's like a bull pull bull flag situation, bouncing off, back testing the area that was once a downside resistance is now support, right? So we did break this too. We broke it, broke out. What do you want? So you take those low risk plays, man, and you go with them, and they fail. Oh well, you're stopped out into the US dollar or tether, whatever. But dude, after such tremendous selling like that, you'd expect some sort of retrace, right? That's it. At least a 144, 151, or 158, 160, okay? Dude, there's just like, if we were to break the 236, we could break just a few. Look, we just had a little bit of demand, Blank. There is literally no resistance to run up, man. No resistance until you truly get 165. Like, there's nothing, dude. Nothing here. One little resistance, right? The 382 is your only resistance, right? And it's just because it's just temporary and just manufactured on the 20th, just 2 days ago at this point, all right? Let's stick to the guns on that Patreon chat. Like, man, I'm just saying, man. Like, we expected that, right? Didn't we? We expected a retrace before we would see we expect 100, but like we don't expect it immediately because it's just you're so oversold now. So is Bitcoin. You're gonna have a beer for me, Matt Shaver, man. Cheers, dude. Thank you, dude. Much love. Thank y'all, dude. Seriously. All right, fireworks, man. We did it, man. 106 likes. Y'all are incredible. Let's keep those like spikes going, man. Got those explosions, meme, Mr. Meme Man. They're done, dude. They're done. Okay. Expectations for XLM? Well, the US dollar, it's range bound pretty much. But technically, it's still making lower highs than its previous highs. So, holding up, someone's propping up XLM between 17 cents and 18 cents. But it's just unable to make higher highs. It just keeps making lower highs every time. So that's descending triangle crap, right? Too much distribution. No accumulation. K King is thankful for the drop so he can accumulate more and hold for his future retirement. Man, well, just remember, cryptocurrency was never really meant to be an investment. Just think about it as a mild form of gambling, okay? If you're okay with that, fine, but please don't think that this market, man, where's their transparency? Where's the revenue? Where are the services and goods? How are they able to articulate to you, or how are they able to give money back to you? An investment is something you put money into because it's going to pay you back. If there's no logical way they can explain how they're going to do that, they're not going to. Okay? But then people will be like, that's not how crypto works. It's like, yes, it is. That's how the world works. Unless you're going to literally replace money, which Bitcoin is trying to do. If you're not trying to replace money or be the alternative to money, you're going to try to provide a blockchain service and good. Blockchain technology is amazing, and it's really going to change the world for real. And there are going to be companies, just like when the cloud came to be, companies popped up everywhere, cloud companies, to help because they're services, right? Because everything's becoming on the internet, right? So like HubSpot and CRM, right? Intuit, all these online companies, these cloud companies popped up. There's going to be blockchain companies that pop up, and they're gonna make money, all right? They're going to try to make money. Now these cryptos, a lot of them are not trying to make money. They're just venture capitalists threw a stupid amount of money at these investments, all right? And they expected a lot to fail, and most have failed and will fail. They are not going to get more seed money, and eventually will run out of all that money. Tons of it got thrown into marketing. Okay, and we've already talked about why companies or entities would ICO or IPO. Right? There's two reasons: to expand, to reinvest, to make more money in the end, or to dump on everyone else so that lead developers and designers and insiders can sell at a premium and screw everyone else. Okay, those are the only two reasons. You feel good, Mr. Showerman? Me too, dude. Me too. Just a little tired. Just a little heavy eyes, okay? I'm gonna give it a check it out. Plenty, alright? Jack Brown. Crypto Noah is thankful for the outdoors and hiking. Excellent, man. I have a beer, Mr. Showerman. Your GT MKIV is thankful that the county has yet to find you for your pond that you dug 300 yards removed from that front yard. Oh wow, man. Did they even notice yet, dude? Have they even sent you an email or a letter, or what have they done? Well, you got one with me, Miss Shepherdman, okay? K King based on what? Thanks, Nicholas, man. Yeah, no Moon Boy. Unless we're talking about Vet Moon Boy, and we love him. Oh yeah, Jordan Brown, man. We looked at the, you want to see something cool, man, though? While we think there might be a minor retrace in our midst soon, like, very soon. Like, probably the next thing. If it doesn't, okay, whatever. But like, the whole point of like trading is like low risk, high reward opportunities. Okay, so watch this, man. And most people in here have seen this. Okay, I'm gonna go to the daily time scale, and I will go to log, and you will see what's crazy, man. Okay, so we bounced off the 1618 fib extension. We bounced off the heart line of our equidistant channel in linear scale, right? But watch what happens when I go to log scale, and watch what happens when we chart our equidistant channel from, I think, from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the top. Look where we are. We bounced, literally touched it and bounced off of it. Get rid of this flag. I'll do it just for the sake. And God, I got the fibs, man. It's just tough, man. It's so tough charting long term and the short term. You see this where we bounced off of it, man? Bounced off the log scale trend line that stems back to 2015. I think that's pretty awesome, man. It's just worth thinking about, knowing about. This was a tremendous drop. A retrace here wouldn't be weird at all. I mean, we know we're going to make a lower high most likely. Like, highest high of likelihood, we're going to make a lower high and then dump again. But that's like the whole point of this show is technical analysis, where we try to figure out where the supports are, where we might retrace. Okay, we're a retrace show. Okay, we're looking at Fibonacci all the time, right? So you got here and you got a fine for not having numbers on your house, no name. Wow, man, that sucks, dude. That boom boy is also Kang. Yeah, dude. You think it just crossed the magic line? Oh no, not at all. On Bitstamp it did. Sucks, man. I don't want to bring that up, but like, dude, right here, it's like perfect. And this just means like, hey, I think we could bounce here for a 38 to 61% retrace before dumping. Still needs to smooth out. Yeah, no, but again, dude, smooth out. It's smoothing out a little bit. Okay, it could dump again. Surely it could dump again, and we could run to 3,500, of course. But we're looking for the low risk stuff so we can make short-term plays to make short-term coin, and that's all it is. Oh no, not at all, George Brown. Most likely not. Okay, I think this downtrend will extend on for some time. Okay, I think Ethereum eventually could easily hit $55. Like, no problem, man. We have like no support below us, man. All right. You're just holding on to this kind of crappy support from August 2017 and October 2017. That's it. You crack this, man. See ya. Weak support at 3,500, and then your stronger support, one of the strongest supports you have for a very long time, is at 3,000. Okay, you can't hold 3,000. You can clearly see impulses up like this, twig and thatch, man. They can get easily taken out in extreme bearish conditions. All right. Interesting, GT MKIV. Well, hopefully, if you need us to, we can come destroy them. Okay, we can destroy them. Man, dragging a little bit, man. No, of course not. There's no demand on this market. There's no sentiment. There's no positive. Look, the sentiment drives the trend. The trend drives the indicators. Okay, that's really how it goes. So if your sentiment's trash, we can clearly see. Just Google Analytic, Bitcoin, crypto, right? Check out those words, those keywords, the searches. There's no euphoria. It's literally the inverse. It's a 180 of sentiment from what it was 1 year ago. Okay. Large candles, and guess what? The large candles, what's significant about them? The volume involved behind them, which are extremely large. Okay, huge volume on the sell-offs. Okay, that's bad. People are dumping. That is distribution. They're getting out. Post them, GTMKV, man. We'll look at them. Post in the IRL community tab, and we'll look at it. Oh. The heck? Oh man. Okay. Why would people FOMO? What do they fear missing out on? What? Missing out? You're missing out. I don't understand, man. I don't know, man. If you stop loss and if you're tied to the US dollar tether, you're fine. I mean, I think for short-term upswings. If you understand Fibonacci, you can't sell off forever. You will eventually retrace 38 to 61% of the way. And we do it all the time, even in bear trends. And you can make money off that. So that's what this show's about. So. Anyway, just wanted to bring that up, right? It's worth noting, I swear it's worth noting. The log scale and the linear scale both are okay, and look for at least a 38% retrace, right? You just gotta love, man, the respect of this heart line. You gotta love it, dude. Respect. This is just beautiful, man. I just love Equidistant channels so much because all the respect, the touch points we get over and over and over and over and over again. So awesome, dude. Sure thing, Miss Sharpman. Okay, so what I think I'm gonna do, y'all, is just get out of here. You know, it's just been I streamed for too long today. I'm just a little tired. Alright. Get some rest. I'm getting up kind of early, okay? Going over to the fams and gonna eat, stuff my face. I hope you all have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Thanks so much for the love, support, contributions, subs, likes. Y'all are freaking amazing. What I'm thankful for is this community that I took a jump in late February. Okay, I jumped off the cliff and y'all caught me, alright? Talking about streaming and stuff. So y'all keep coming back. I'll keep coming back. I love y'all. I couldn't do this without you. Y'all get me up in the morning, okay? So very grateful for y'all. That's family and y'all. So y'all are family. So until next time, respect, T, A.
Me